aspects, different fragments of ideas and collectives. And we're going to come together and create a show at the end of it. The challenge is probably going to be getting them ideas down and knowing different ideas and different opinions and putting it all together into one.
I'm looking forward to like seeing what everyone's ideas are and how we're gonna portray them like in our own different ways. I wasn't really nervous in the taster sessions, but now that I've seen what everyone's bringing, a bit nervous.
The stuff that I've done here, that I've done other projects, that have obviously benefited me to be able to do it here. But once I've done it here, I realised I'm a bit more comfortable doing it, and then I can go somewhere else and get even better. You know what I mean? So it's up to you. What you take is what you take, and that's the mentality that you can't really teach. It just comes over time.
I'm excited, but I'm also nervous. What if I mess up? What if we mess up? You know, the usual things. But that's it, really. Their ideas and the way their teach is so solid and watertight that there's not really much space for fears, because you know you can trust them and trust their ideas and how they teach. Yeah, I think it's opened me up a little bit. I used to be a little awkward when talking to new people, but it's helped me just put myself out there.
I'm less shy because it's not the first thing I've gone to, but it's the thing I've gone to where I've known no one and that everyone here is kind of like my family, like this, who I've got the potential to kill if she annoys me too much.
You just touched my soul. Wait, let's just take a moment.
It's been a long journey for us to get here. Yep. You guys have been super dedicated through every Saturday coming. You are the ones that succeeded because we started with loads of people. You are the ones. And you have really amazed me and Yomi. We're so proud of you guys. Whatever happens on stage, you know what? You guys are now semi-professionals, so you gotta pick it and just really do it. Yeah. Remember one thing I always say. If you have fun, the audience have fun. Really push it. Push every single move because you only have one chance. This is your one chance, so really push it, guys. And you know, feel happy that you have accomplished amazing things in these 4 months.
Adrenaline is still running through my body. I'm just pumped up, I'll recommend anybody who's into this kind of stuff, who have got creative mind, just try something new. I came in as a rapper / producer, and I've came out having traits like acting and being able to bust a couple moves, so it's really good, Oh man, it went good, Putting a thing that goes on in like 5 days or more is just, it's crazy. The second I start clapping, they start clapping, I was like, thank God. You know them ones when it's just like, please clap, man. I was like, please clap, please clap.
Amazing.
Amazing, I would do it again. I would recommend everyone who wants to be a performing artist or do anything to do with hip-hop or theatre or anything to do it.
Yes, I completely concur. It's a great experience. You develop your skills as a choreographer, as a dancer, as a poet, as everything. It's perfect for anyone who wants to do this type of stuff. It gets you an idea of what theatre work is like. It's amazing.
Please take this forward. Yeah, don't let this be the end. Like, people just saw you do your thing on stage. When you get out there, start talking to the people now. Start saying, this is what we do. Did you enjoy that?
Can I get that sponsor, please? Can I get the sponsor?
This is just the start of great things, right? And I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna miss you, right?
We're going. Praise the Lord. and that's
Oh Jesus!
starting from scratch on 3.
Oh my God!
1, 2, 3,
Stop!